Hello, I'm Mary. I'm a volunteer at Salisbury Museum. On August the 7th, the new costume gallery is opening at the museum. So today we're going to make lots of things to do with clothes and costume. The first thing we're going to do is to make ourselves a wig. So you need to get a long strip of paper. I used some wrapping paper and stuck it together. And then if you use double-sided tape and stick it onto your piece of paper. Just let me get that off. There we go. And then you need to cut lots of strips of coloured wool and just stick them onto your piece of double-sided tape. When you've done that, you can use another piece of sellotape to go over the top. Look on this one and you can see that I've just put another strip of sellotape round. I've gone all the way round my band, cut some short at the front, and on it goes, and you've got a wig. How's that? The next thing we're going to do is design our own t-shirt. You need to draw yourself and cut out a t-shirt shape, quite a nice big one, and then you can use felt tips or paints or things that you stick on to decorate your shirt. I'll show you some that I've made. I used some sticky tape and stars, just stickers. I cut some pictures off wrapping paper. I made a dinosaur t-shirt. This one I wet the paper and then did splodges of colour with paint. And there's another one done with paint. That's an army shirt, a camouflage shirt. Then I made a football shirt. And then I got even more inventive. That's my very special football shirt. It needs a badge on. So I drew a badge, which I'm going to just stick onto my shirt. There we are, Norwich City. And on the back, you need to put your name and a number. I like designing the football shirts best. Now we're going to make some hats. First you need a circle of paper or thin card. I used a paper plate, but you can cut it out of anything. If you don't want to make a hat, you can always make yourself a headband. I raided the Christmas decorations box, found some shiny paper to make the band, one of those parcel decorations, stuck them together, and there you go. Brooches and bracelets are what we call accessories, and they're very easy to make. If you find a circle of cardboard, and then there are lots of different ways you can make them look pretty. If you glue string onto your cardboard and then cover it with some foil, you get a nice bumpy patterned surface. There's one, and I stuck an extra bit of glitter in the middle. On the back, you need to just stick a safety pin with a bit of sellotape. Some of the other things you can do to make your surface a bit bumpy is you can stick some cardboard shapes onto your circle and then cover those over. Or you might want to stick little tiny bits of tissue paper or any paper really, and when you cover it over with the foil it gives you a nice bumpy surface. To make a bracelet you need to get the grown-up to cut you a circle from a plastic drinks bottle and then just cover it with foil or sticky tape. You can wear very easily. In the new costume gallery there are some wonderful fans, so I'm going to show you how to make one of these fans. You do need quite a big piece of paper, so a piece of wrapping paper is ideal, and it's got to be long and thin, and then you need to fold it, so you have to go I've folded this one up, and then at the bottom I've just stuck some sellotape round to keep it together, and that gives you a very nice fan. If you want to make your fan even more decorated, you probably have to ask a grown-up to do this because it's very stiff cut paper. You're cutting through lots of layers, but with there are the holes.